Finally, you can do pull-ups. Congrats mo there. But this video for today is to how to increase your pull-ups. If you are stuck for 10 to 15 reps, not improving or not increasing your reps a long amount of time, example for months or even years, this video is for you. And disclaimer, I'm not gonna advise to do weighted pull-ups or EMOM for 1 hour to 2 hours. This technique is one of my favorite to increase my reps. Just only gonna take you at least 10 minutes under. The name of this method is max reps. Basically, you have only 3 sets, guys, and each reps you gonna max your reps, and each set you can rest for 1 to 2 minutes max. Example, my first set is 15, rest for 1 minute or 2 minutes. Second set you can do 10, rest for 1 minute or 2 minutes again. Third set you can do maybe 8 or lower, but it's okay because it's the last set. Like I said, this method is gonna take for only 10 minutes, and you can do this before and after your workouts and for 2 times a week. So that's it. Thank you.